Hello everyone, and a warm welcome to MonoVM's YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we'll explore the installation of Node.js and NPM on Linux Ubuntu, presented in a comprehensive step-by-step format. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. NPM is the standard package manager for Node.js. Before starting, you need to install the PuTTY program and open it. Employ this command to update your local package index effortlessly. The code is provided in the caption. Execute the below command to install the node on Ubuntu. During installation, type Y as yes for the question, do you want to continue? To continue the installation. To get the Node.js version number, just type the following code. To install NPM, type the following code. Type Y to continue the installation. After the installation process, the page for the package configuration will be shown. On this page, you can choose which service should be restarted. In this video, we are going to use default settings and select the OK button. That's it. You've installed Node.js on your Linux system successfully. Feel free to share any questions or ideas you have in the comments section below.